Today we're standing inside of one of the homes that has been at the super top of my list to come and tour, and that is of course the Windsor from Schumacher Homes. Let me get you outside, I'll tell you all about it. Windsor is located in Akron, Ohio, and this beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and all of that sits inside of approximately 3,383 square feet. If you are interested in this model though, this home starts at approximately $457,000. And with that, let's get inside. Oh man. It's just one of those things that you've been waiting to see something so long, and you're just like, you get so excited, so amped up about it, you know what I mean? And this is one of those things for me. So this is the view that you were greeted with when you do a first walk in. You got this catwalk up above us right here in the foyer. You've got open to above everything, like the living room, the foyer right here, all of it is open to above, which is really nice. In the foyer, you've got the window right there with the little lip. And then you've got this accent wall that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Super cool. All right, so, I mean, we're right here by the stairs. We're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. I wanna start that way this time. Just kind of work our way down. We'll see how everybody likes that. Of course, you know, we don't always tour 2-story homes, so, and the layouts are, this layout just kind of lent itself to it, I guess. But first and foremost, go ahead and give you a sneak peek down into the living room. Just real nice. And then we'll go ahead and cross the catwalk and see what all we can find over here on this side of the house. So let's start up here at the front, and this is the first of the bedrooms. Got a real nice accent wall. Yeah, now this isn't, I mean, now, it's a newer model, I guess, that they've had built. But I think they were building it last time I was here, which I think it was like a year, maybe a year and a half ago. Something like that. So it's been that long. And I've been yearning to come up here and check it out. So, oh man, just happy. Tick it off the list. So this is the first full bathroom. You got the single vanity, tons of counter space, and then you've got the water closet right here with a shower and tub. Check out that navy blue tile. It's wild. I guess it kind of matches. Let me know, like, I feel like the exterior color's playing games with me. Maybe it's just the lighting outside. Then you've got a linen closet. And then into the second of the bedrooms. This one sits back towards the back of the house. I think they're about the same size. And then this one's got a nice closet. And then we'll go ahead and, the doorways, if you can see there's no door on it right now. If you're new, you may not know. Schumacher, and a lot of model centers, not just Schumacher, but a lot of model centers don't put the doors in the models, so you can just kind of walk through. And this one sits right up by the highway. There's like 6 or 7 models here. I think that it might be 6. So you can come here and check them all out, kind of walk through all the homes and get some design inspiration. For when you go to build your home, which is nice. They've got, this model center's got the West Point and an Olivia, both of which are fantastic. And then they just added the Charleston 3, and they've got this one, like, whew, I don't think there's a better model center in the country. Just full of cool homes. But anyway, all right. What is this? Did I miss something? No? What in the world? Is this the master bedroom? I didn't look at the plan. I was thinking that No, this can't be it. It looks like it though. You got the walk-through closet right here. I mean, I'm looking at all the tile back there and that looks all decked out, you know what I mean? This might be it. I might have whoopsied this one. I avoided downstairs just because I didn't want to hit the kitchen and the master bedroom all at the same time. Oh man, whoopsies. But a great big closet. And then into the ensuite. I bet this thing has an in-law suite downstairs. I bet that's what it is. So you got the standalone shower. Nice big soaking tub. And you've got all the windows. Then you've got the double vanity. Cool little pendant lights hanging down over the top of it. And the water closet. Yeah, now I'm curious. Now see, this is, I don't like walking through the homes, you know, before I tour. Sometimes I have to because I got to turn lights on, but here all their lights are on, so I don't have to worry about it. You do have a second floor laundry room. It's got the washer dryer hookups, a little counter space right here, and then got this pet washing station. Kind of an interesting location for a pet washing station though, on the second floor, you know what I mean? I figured that would be closer to the mudroom somewhere. But, you know, wrap the pup in a towel and race him upstairs, I guess. All right, now we can start getting into everything down here. Of course, you've got this 2-story great room, got the huge windows, fireplace going all the way up to the ceiling, and then you've got these nice built-ins on either side. Old soft close cabinetry. And then I'll go ahead and turn you around and let you check out back towards the kitchen area. But there are a few more things on this side that we're gonna go check out. And the first of which is this like family room or game room. Maybe it could be an office space if that's what you wanted to turn it into. It's big enough, you can put like some French doors right here. Got some nice floating shelves. And then we're going to go into this room to our left because I'm so confused. Yeah, I think it's I think that was the master bedroom upstairs. So you got a little coat closet. This could be a guest room, could be an in-law suite, depending on what you wanted to use it for. So you got a full bathroom, single vanity. And then you've got a shower and tub with a nice big tub down there, tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And then into the bedroom. And this one sits towards kind of the back side of the house. All right, and then across the living room, you know, you've already seen it. You've got the kitchen area, and wait until you see the pantry. This one's got a really nice pantry too, like fancy. Huge island. All the counter space in the lip, of course, you can see that too, kind of wraps around, and this is probably the first place that's actually added chairs on this side of the lip, but it really gives you an idea of how many people can kind of sit around here, especially if you're doing like a little dinner party or some get-togethers, you know what I mean? Especially like the holidays, which are all coming up. Got the undermount sink looking out into the dining room, the dishwasher, and then we've got some nice slide outs here in the cabinets. And then on the back side, you've got this wall of cabinets going all the way up to the ceiling, which is super awesome. A little bit of a counter space right here, maybe for your coffee. And then you've got the gas range with the range hood. I don't know if I've already opened a drawer or not. But then there's a built-in microwave and the oven. And then, like I said, this thing, it's got a nice pantry. One of these big old butler pantries. It's got another full sink in here. And this one looks out the window. It's the Olivia model right next door to us. If y'all haven't seen that, we've toured pretty much all the Olivias. I meant to get to the one down towards Louisiana when we were in Texas, but I never got to it. All that stuff looks close on a map, and then until you put in the actual directions and you get the time and distance and stuff, and it's like, whoo, that's a hike. But then into the mud room, you got all these little cubbies, so you can kick your shoes off, hang up your coats. This door right here, let's see if this one's locked. Yeah. So this is the door that goes out into the garage. Coat closet. And then into the dining room, massive table. Big old 10-person table. And then there is still one more place for us to go, and that is down into the basement, which is going to be unfinished, but it'll give you kind of an idea of all the space that's down here. So if you did want to finish it off, you could turn it into a game room or a movie theater room, or add some extra bedrooms, whatever the case may be, but tons and tons and tons of space down here. You've got 2 furnaces. There's a sump pump and electric panel in the back. And then around the corner over here, you've got both of your water heaters. All right, let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this model or Schumacher homes, you can click that link right there at the top of the description, or you can go over to timothyplivingston.com, where you can search not only this floor plan, but all the floor plans across the country. You can see if they're built in your area. You can filter based off of price, number of bedrooms, square footage, layout, whether you want that master bedroom on the first floor or the second floor, all that different types of fun stuff, so you can find that perfect dream home for you. And then of course you can take the tour just like you just did. With that though, I hope you have a fantastic day, and as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.